Alright, this is the review of the dog crate. The only thing that I don't like about it is if your dog likes to chew up the bedding or mats that you place in the actual crate there, the only option you can do is to take this plastic piece that's actually supposed to go in between this slot here and place it in the downside is the bottom underneath it is all wire, so it hurts the paws. They really shouldn't be laying on it. So there's really not much else you can really do with that except to put the plastic piece in the crate itself. The issue that arises from that situation is if you go ahead and go to close it, that black piece puts so much pressure on that it's actually pretty difficult to lock that. So you can get the top one, and then the bottom one's even harder to get in there. There we go. So that's the only issue that I have. Other than that, it's a great crate. The crate is big enough to have my pup, which is 54 pounds, fit in there quite comfortably. And the top opens up. It also has two latches, one there and then one right here. But if your dog doesn't chew up any of the bedding or any mats, I would highly recommend this crate. It's pretty well built. It was super simple to put together. But yeah, I would highly recommend.
I'm showing you where they go, like this and that down there. And when they put this together, they have a hole there, but no hole on the opposite side. It's over there. Whoop. It's not, go back to this one. That one's there, there's no hole opposite. And down at the very bottom, there's a hole to the left, not on the right. It's over here, so they gave us a side that was upside down. We can't use this.
It's a very big kennel. This is how you lock it, right here. You also can take and lift it from the front if needing to grab anything. She fits in it. We love it.
Hi, Ruby.